Hello dear students, in the last video we learnt Newton's forward interpolation formula and Newton's backward interpolation formula and also the problems on those two methods. And in today's video we are learning about the interpolation formula for unequal intervals. To define interpolation formula for unequal intervals, before to that we should know what are the divided differences. First, I'll explain you how to find the divided differences. Let f of x naught, f of x1, dot dot dot, f of xn are the values of unknown function y is equal to f of x corresponding to the values of x at x naught, x1, x2, dot dot dot, xn at unequal intervals. The values of x are not at equal lengths. The first order divided differences are defined as follows. First order divided difference of the function at x0, x1 is denoted as f of x0, x1 and it is defined as f of x1 minus f of x0 divided by x1 minus x0. Similarly, first order divided difference of the function at x1, x2 is f of x1, x2 and it is defined as f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Similarly, first order divided difference of the function at x2, x3 is f of x2, x3 and it is defined as f of x3 minus f of x2 divided by x3 minus x2. Okay. And these are the first order divided differences. Okay. Again, the differences of the first order divided differences are known as second order divided differences. They are as follows. Second order divided difference of the function at x0, x1, x2 is f of x0, x1, x2 and is defined as f of x1, x2 minus f of x0, x1 divided by x2 minus x0. Last value minus the first value. Okay. Similarly, second order divided difference of the function at x1, x2, x3 is f of x2, x3 minus f of x1, x2 divided by x3 minus x1, etc. Okay. Similarly, we can define the higher order divided differences. Okay. After learning how to find the divided differences, we have the Newton's general interpolation formula or Newton's divided difference formula. The statement is like this. If f of x naught comma f of x1 comma f of x2 dot 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 f of xn be a set of values of an unknown function y is equal to f of x corresponding to the values of x at x naught comma x1 comma x2 dot 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 xn at unequal intervals, then the value of the function at any x is approximately given by y is equal to f of x, that is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into f of x naught comma x1 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 plus dot 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 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into dot 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 x minus xn minus 1 into f of x naught x1 x2 dot 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 xn. Here f of x naught, it is a given value. F of x naught comma x1 is the first order divided difference. F of x naught x1 x2 is the second order divided difference. F of x naught x1 x2 dot 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 xn is the nth order divided difference. Given the values of x and y, just find the divided differences and write down the formula. Substitute those values into this formula. You are getting the required value of the function for any value of x. Show you how to solve the problems and this. Okay. Look at this problem. Use Newton's divided difference formula to find f of 4 given the data. X values are 0, 2, 3, 6 and the corresponding values of the function are minus 4, 2, okay, 1, 21, sorry 14 it is, not 121, 14, 158. Okay. First we need to find the divided differences. The values of x, compulsorily you need to call them as x0, x1, x2, x3, what are they have given. Corresponding values of the function are f of x0 is equal to minus 4, f of x1 is equal to 2, f of x2 is equal to 14, f of x3 is equal to 158. Find out the first order divided differences. Okay, f of x0 comma x1 equal to f of x1 minus f of x0 means 2 minus of minus plus 4, 2 plus 4 divided by x1 minus x0, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 2 14 divided by 2 is 3. Similarly, first order divided difference of the function at x1 comma x2 is f of x1 comma x2, that is equal to 14 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1. That comes out as 12. First order divided difference of the function at x2 comma x3 is f of x2 comma x3, that is equal to 158 minus 14 divided by 6 minus 3, that is x3 minus x2, that comes out as 48. Now we'll find out the second order divided differences. F of x0 comma x1 comma x2, that is equal to 12 minus 3 divided by x2 minus x0, last value minus the first value, x2 minus x0. Okay, that comes out as 12 minus 3 is 9, 9 by 3 is 3. Similarly, second order divided difference of the function at x1 comma x2 comma x3 is 48 minus 12 divided by x3 minus x1. 48 minus 12 divided by, okay, x3 minus x1 is 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 is 4 it is, okay. 48 minus 12 is 36, 36 divided by 4 is 9 it is. Now we'll find out the third order divided differences. F of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3, that is equal to 9 minus 3 divided by x3 minus x0. 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 by 6 is 1 it is, okay. Now divided difference formula is y is equal to f of x is equal to f of x0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0 comma x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3, okay. And here we need to find the value of the function at x is equal to 4. So x value is 4. F of 4 is equal to f of x0 is minus 4 plus 4 minus 0 into f of x0 comma x1 is the first order divided difference. Okay. F of that is the first entry. The first order divided differences, that is 3 plus x means 4 minus 0 into 4 minus 2 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 is 3 plus 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2 plus into 4 minus 3 is 1 into third order divided difference is 1. If I simplify this, it comes out as 40. That is f of 4 is equal to 40. It is very simple problem. Okay. Next problem. Find f of 9 the given data. Okay, once again this December 19, January 20 question paper problem. Okay, first we need to find out the divided differences. Okay, the values of x up to x4 they have given x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 corresponding values of the function, or find out the first order divided differences. Okay, second order divided differences, third order divided differences. Okay, now write the formula. Newton's divided difference formula is this. Substitute the values, simplify it. Okay, and next is the given set of values of x and ux. We need to find out the u28 by Newton's divided difference formula. See method it is. Okay, try to solve this also. asking the problem like this. Construct the interpolation polynomial for the data given below using Newton's general interpolation formula for divided differences. Okay, x values, y values, they are given. First, we need to find out the divided differences. Look at this. Here, third order divided differences are all constants. Okay, constant means same value. If I find the next order divided difference, definitely that comes out as 0. No need to find. Right, the third differences. Y is equal to f of x is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into f of x naught comma x1 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into f of x naught x1 x2 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x naught x1 x2 x3. Substitute the values, but here we need to find out the polynomial. So x remains as x only. X minus x naught means x minus x naught value, just substituting. Okay. 50 to simplify this, that polynomial comes out as f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4. Okay, either they are asking you to find the f of some particular value, or is the polynomial satisfying the given data. These are the type of problems they are asking on Newton's divided differences, and particularly in the examination they are asking use the Newton's divided difference formula or Newton's general interpolation formula. Means just find the divided differences, write the formula, substitute the values and simplify it. I hope you understand how to find the divided differences and also the how to solve the problems of Newton's divided differences. Okay, thank you. In the next video I'll show you, okay, Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay, bye.